Ever have the perfect scene in your video but absolutely no idea what kind of music fits it? Or maybe you're just tired of getting copyright strikes every time you upload? Stop searching for hours. What if I told you that you could generate a complete custom music track for your video just from a single screenshot? And the best part is, it is completely free to use. Let's see how. Getting started and the 3 methods. To get started, head over to Gemini.com. Go to the prompt box, click on that little plus icon and select Create Music from the list. Once you are in the music tool, you have got 3 powerful ways to create. First, there are simple prompts. Just tell it what you need, like a mellow lo-fi beat for a steady vlog. And just like that, the music is ready. Let's listen to this. The quality is amazing. Second, you have detailed structure prompts. This is for when you want total control. Instead of just saying a rock song, you can be really specific. A fast-paced, 120 BPM, upbeat, rock track and so on. Hit generate and the music is ready. Let's take a listen. Honestly, the output is incredible. And third, my personal favorite, image to music. Let's look at how to use that image to music feature, because this is where the magic happens. Suppose you are editing a travel video and you have a beautiful shot of a beach at sunset and you need music for the video. Just take a screenshot from that video. Now go to the prompt box, click the plus icon and select upload files to choose that image. Once that's uploaded, click the plus icon again and select create music from the list. Now enter a prompt like create a track that reimagines the mood in this image. Then just hit send. Lyria will analyze the colors, the lighting and overall scene to compose music that perfectly matches the feeling of your image. It's like having a composer living inside your computer. Seriously, just look at the quality of this output. It's honestly amazing. Normally, a professional music composer or editor would spend hours trying to make music that fits a scene this perfectly. But with Lyria, you get a high-quality, custom track in just a few seconds. It makes your video sound much more professional and keeps your audience watching. And that's it. So what kind of image are you going to turn into music first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this tip useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.